The last part we need to cut out is our sleeve, and I've kept our back part here because what I wanted to point out is that this right edge here, which will form the bottom of our sleeve, this should be parallel to the bottom of your front and back that you already cut out. So you can still see this is where we cut out the back. So your sleeve should lie like this. In other words, do not cut it out like that, but cut it out so that the grain is similar to the front and back of your t-shirt. Now, we need two of these sleeves and they need to be the mirror images of themselves. Not identical, because it might look so, but this part is not actually symmetrical. This edge here, these curves are more rounded and here they are more flat. That's because this is the front and the shoulder is more rounded at the front of our body, which is why we have more of a curve there to allow for movement of the sleeve. So I'm going to cut this with the good sides of our fabric together, folded, not on the fold, just folded. I'm going to mark the hem allowance. Like this. So here too I'm using 3 centimeter. And then once again I will cut this out and just eyeball 1 centimeter hem allowance for the rest of my sleeve. There we go. These are our 2 sleeves that are mirror images of each other. And now it's time to do some sewing.